Welcome Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijay Lakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this topic, I am going to explain about strategic management process modules. So here there are five different modules that exist: strategic analysis, environmental scanning, environmental analysis, strategic choice, strategic implementation, and strategy evaluation and control. Let us see why this strategic analysis are needed. Strategic management module is a framework which helps an organization to achieve its goal comprehensively. It mainly focuses on a specific strategy adopted by the organization and involves a thorough analysis of environments within and outside the firm. Additionally, it focuses on the overall well being of the organization. Strategic management integrates areas like marketing, finance, accounting, human resource, IT, and production to generate the favorable consequences for the organization. The module is extremely critical as it can assist in the operational of the strategy. Moreover, it gives the business learns and managers to pathway to trend as well as to make the differentiations. So this modules play helps in framing the strategies. So the modules comprises both macro and micro elements of the business entry. Strategic development. The main element that comprises strategic development are vision, mission, and the goals of the organization. Some of the other aspects that are connected to this stage are analysis of their internal and external environment, selection of the right strategy implementation. Any organization must move to the implementation strategy without which all the planning and formulation will lead to zero results. Three main micro elements impact the implementation stage, and they are organizational, like human resources, and organizational system, organizational heritage. So, this is the stage of the action of the organization which will finally yield the desired results. Next is strategy, survey, and the control. This is the third most important component, which includes the exclusively evaluation and measurement of the achieving the results again. So the set of strategic may helps you. The strategy management module has to be clearly defined so that everyone involved can understand and correlate with the strategic management process in a better and more simplified manner. The choose the right approach for any businesses. The organization need to choose the right strategy to its growth and the priority. The first step to taken for some of to find out the business environment in which the company is operating. Every business environment consists of two dimensions. One is predictable and another is measurable. So these two dimensions of the business environment can for the specific strategic approach. Like we have different approaches: classical approach, adaptive approach, and visionary approaches, shaping approach, renewal approaches. So these are all helpful factors which makes you to differentiate your strategic and organization facing the competition and other challenges takes up its approaches. In such a scenario, such organizations takes action within a limited time by reaching the correct plan. There is a way to reach the plan in different pathways, but in which pathway we are choosing is very important. That is showing in a strategic management. It is like a roadmap for reaching our destination, for reaching our goals in the right manner. So by analyzing our business models, By having the strategic management model in a right path, the management can acquire and easily they can achieve their strategies in a better manner to reach their visions and goals in a right directions. So this is how the strategic modules are helpful in framing the strategies in a business scenario. Thank you. This is presented by Dr. Vijayalakshmi Jayaraman.